Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best metal cutting saws that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Shao 3-inch high-speed cutoff tool. As the budget option in our lineup, this tool comes in at an incredibly affordable $33.24. Making it ideal for DIYers or casual users who need a lightweight, compact metal cutter. It packs a punch with its 3.5 amp motor, delivering a no-load speed of 24,000 RPM, which is impressive for its price range. With 3 versatile cutting discs included, it can tackle ferrous metals, non-ferrous metals, stainless steel, and even PVC. The 360-degree rotatable safety guard and lock-off on switch make it safe and user-friendly. In terms of design, the Shao tool is lightweight at just 3 pounds, meaning it's easy to handle, especially during prolonged use. This makes it perfect for hobbyists or those working on smaller projects, where portability and convenience are key. However, while its compact size is an advantage, it's not designed for heavy-duty tasks or cutting larger pieces of metal. The heat dissipation system is efficient, ensuring the tool remains cool during use, but the build quality may feel less durable compared to premium models. Pros include its affordability, lightweight design, and versatility, while cons are its limited cutting capacity and suitability for smaller-scale projects. If you're on a tight budget and need a reliable tool for light-duty tasks, this is an excellent choice. At number 4, we have the Vivar abrasive chop saw, priced at $107.99. This mid-range option is a solid choice for those seeking a balance between performance and affordability. With its 2300-watt motor generating 3600 RPM, it's capable of cutting through steel, rebar, aluminum, and other metals with ease. The 14-inch blade and adjustable miter fence allow for angled cuts up to 45 degrees, making it versatile for various applications. One standout feature is its wave-patterned vise, which enhances clamping tightness and reduces wobble for more accurate cuts. The design of the Vivar chop saw is robust, with a durable build aimed at handling tough jobs on construction sites or in workshops. The protective spark guard is another noteworthy addition, ensuring user safety by shielding against debris. However, it's slightly heavier at 30 pounds, so portability may be a concern if you need to move it frequently. The tool-less angle adjustment mechanism is convenient, allowing users to make quick changes without the need for extra tools. Pros include its powerful motor, precise cutting capabilities, and safety features, while cons are its weight and somewhat bulky design. This chop saw is ideal for professionals or serious DIYers who need reliable performance for medium to heavy-duty tasks at a reasonable price. Coming in at number 3 is the Porter Cable Chop Saw, priced at $159. This 14-inch chop saw features a powerful 15-amp motor with a speed of 3,800 RPM, making it a reliable option for cutting through metal with precision and speed. The quick-release material clamp allows for easy loading and removal of materials, while the cutting fence with miter adjustment supports angled cuts up to 45 degrees. Additionally, the spark deflector enhances safety and provides a clear line of sight during operation. The build quality of the Porter Cable Chop Saw is impressive, with durable materials and a solid design that can withstand regular use in workshops or job sites. At 32 pounds, it's heavier than some options, but the sturdy construction ensures stability during cutting. The spindle lock feature makes blade changes quick and hassle-free, adding to its overall convenience. However, while it offers great performance, it falls slightly short of the premium options in terms of advanced features. Pros include its powerful motor, ease of use, and solid construction, while cons are its weight and limited portability. This model is ideal for users who need a dependable chop saw for medium-duty tasks without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel brushless, cordless, metal-cutting circular saw. Priced at $322.95, this premium cordless option delivers exceptional performance with its brushless motor, generating 4,000 RPM and matching the power of 15-amp corded competitors. Its extended runtime allows up to 120 feet of cutting per charge, making it perfect for demanding applications. The intelligent Red Link Plus technology prevents overload, overheating, and over-discharge, ensuring maximum performance and tool longevity. The design is compact and lightweight at just 4 pounds, making it highly portable and easy to maneuver. The 8-inch blade offers a cutting depth of up to 2 9/16 inches, making it versatile for a wide range of materials. However, as a tool-only product, you'll need to purchase the battery separately, which adds to the overall investment. Despite the higher price, the cordless convenience and high-performance features make it a standout choice for professional contractors and serious DIYers. Pros include its portability, powerful brushless motor, and intelligent protection system, while cons are the upfront cost and the need for separate battery purchase. If you prioritize mobility and advanced technology, this saw is an excellent choice for heavy-duty tasks. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Skill 12-inch metal dry cut saw with Diablo blade, priced at $334.99. This premium saw offers unmatched cutting performance thanks to its cermet-tipped blade technology, which delivers faster cuts with virtually no sparks and minimal burrs. The die-cast aluminum construction makes it lightweight yet durable, while the soft start motor ensures smoother operation and longer tool life. With a large 4.5-inch cutting capacity, it can handle shapes and sizes typically reserved for larger 14-inch saws, making it impressively versatile. The design is compact and portable, making it ideal for job sites. The included Diablo blade is a highlight, delivering 3 times the lifespan of standard carbide-tipped blades. Whether you're cutting through steel, aluminum, or other metals, this saw provides clean, precise cuts that reduce the need for additional finishing. While the price is on the higher side, the performance and advanced features justify the investment for professionals and serious users who need a reliable tool for heavy-duty applications. Pros include its spark-free cutting, durable construction, and superior blade quality, while cons are its premium price and slightly lower RPM compared to competitors. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Skill 12-inch metal dry cut saw is the ultimate choice for precision and efficiency. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.